Hi guys, so welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. Today I'm reviewing the Swiss Beauty lip liner set. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. If you are watching me for the first time, hi guys, I am Deepthi. I make videos on DIY skincare, hair care and also review beauty products. So now let's review the Swiss Beauty lip liner set. It comes in a nice tin box, quite big and looks cute too. This is an aluminium box. Yes, it is an aluminium box, and when you open the box, you could see all the 12 lip liners placed in it. So you get 12 lip liners. All of them are color coded individually. As you can see, the entire lip liner is color coded. Not just at the bottom, the entire pencil is color coded. So you have a variety of nice 12 different shades, and this one is what I've used mostly, as you can see by the size of the lip liner. So these are wooden pencils, so you need sharpening, and this set of 12 lip liners do not come with a sharpener, so you can use any of your cosmetic sharpener or even the stationery sharpener works fine with these. The color range is quite impressive. They have reds, maroons, browns, nude and purple. To be honest, whenever a brand releases a set of lipsticks or a set of lip liners for dusky skin tone like me, I would find like at least half of the lipsticks would not suit me. They would wash me out. They are like nudes that don't look good on me. Kind of that, but I'm quite impressed with the Swiss Beauty's lip liner set, because all of these shades would suit a dusky skin tone except for this one, which is called Choco Nude. This might not work well with dusky to deep dusky skin tone, but apart from this shade, all the other 11 shades would work totally fine. So I'm really impressed, and thank you Swiss Beauty for coming up with such good range of colors when it comes to lip liner. I'm going to start with my favorite shade, which is called the Dark Chocolate 12. This lip liner is I've been using for the longest time to line my lips and fill it up with a nude lip color inside. Like today I've used it, this one. I'm mostly in all my videos, you can see I'm wearing this Swiss Beauty Dark Chocolate lip liner. This lip liner has the darkest brown shade. Okay, so that is why I love this one. I did get a lot of lip liners from other brands, but they are not too brown for my brown skin tone. They are not dark enough to line my lips. Okay, can you get that? They would be exactly like my skin tone or even lighter than my skin tone. So the purpose of using a brown lip liner goes cancelled. So this is the one I could find. The darkest brown lip liner is from Swiss Beauty. So that's why you can see I've finished half of the pencil, and I will definitely repurchase this shade. Also, these lip liners, if you don't want to get this as a set, these also retails individually for 69 rupees, I guess, around 69 rupees, and for a set of 12 lip liners you get it for around 8.99, and at offers you can get it even for 6.49 rupees. The texture is creamy and sets to a matte finish. I love lip liners with matte finish that does not tug or pull out my lips. This one glides on my lips very smoothly without tugging. This works beautifully as a lipstick too. You can line it and fill it with the same color, and as a lipstick this would last around 3 to 4 hours, and with meals this would fade away, but as a lip liner, this would last for at least 6 to 8 hours, even if you have meals in between. So now let's see the swatches of these 12 beautiful lip liners. By the way guys, this video is not at all sponsored. I bought this lip liners from my own hard-earned money. So yeah, if you love overlining, lip lining or using lip liners as a full lipstick, then this set would become your favorite makeup product. I forgot to tell you guys that these lip liners are not drying too. Drying, I mean like they don't dry up in the pencil itself, because I bought a K-Beauty lip liner in the darkest brown shade, which is not dark enough for my dusky skin tone, and I was keeping that in my vanity. Within 2 months, the pencil got dried up. I was like, oh my god. I thought of using it as a eyeshadow or something, but it got dried up so quickly in the pencil itself. By the way guys, this video is not at all sponsored. I bought these lip liners from my own hard-earned money. So yeah, if you love overlining, lip lining or using lip liners as a full lipstick, then this set would become your favorite makeup product. I forgot to tell you guys that these lip liners are not drying too. Drying, I mean like they don't dry up in the pencil itself, because I bought a K-Beauty lip liner in the darkest brown shade, which is not dark enough for my dusky skin tone, and I was keeping that in my vanity. Within 2 months, the pencil got dried up. I was like, oh my god. I thought of using it as a eyeshadow or something, but it got dried up so quickly in the pencil itself. So these lip liners, I've been using it for the longest, so I can guarantee you these do not dry in the pencil itself, so you can use these lip liners for the longest. And the K-Beauty one costed me more than the entire set of a Swiss Beauty one. The one lip liner from K-Beauty costed me much more than the entire set of Swiss Beauty one. So if you are a college student or a beginner in makeup, starting with makeup, or even if you are a pro makeup artist, you can definitely get your hands on this Swiss Beauty lip liner set, because these comes in beautiful gorgeous shade, you guys. I hope you saw the swatches on my lips. They are so beautiful, so good, affordable, highly pigmented, non-drying. Get it, guys. I have linked the product in the video itself, so you can click on this and buy it. I would give this set a solid 5 out of 5 because it delivers way more than expected, and it is definitely a budget beauty pick. And if you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and family who are into makeup. Also, take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I can see a lot of people are watching without subscribing. Subscription is totally free. Subscribing does not cost you anything, but it means the world to me. So yeah, until the next time, take care.